Want to have a beautiful garden without breaking the bank? Welcome to the world of budget-friendly gardening. Beauty doesn't always require a hefty price tag, and we're here to show you how. Are you ready to create your dream garden without spending a fortune? Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about thrifty plant choices. Native plants, perennials, and plants that self-seed are not only budget-friendly, but also hassle-free. These plants typically need less maintenance, are more resistant to pests and diseases, and they adapt well to your local climate. And the best part? They come back year after year, saving you money and effort in the long run. So next time you're at the nursery, think native, think perennials, think self-seeding. Remember, the right plant choices can make all the difference to your wallet. Next, let's explore the world of DIY and repurposing. Did you know that making your own compost can not only save you a few bucks but also enrich your garden? And how about transforming that old wheelbarrow or wooden crate into a charming planter? These projects not only save money, but also add a unique and personal touch to your green haven. Plus, they're a fun way to spend a sunny afternoon, so get creative and start repurposing. It's good for your pocket and the environment. Last but not least, let's share some general tips for getting the most value out of your gardening efforts. Water your plants in the early morning or late evening to reduce evaporation. This way, your plants get the most out of each drop. Use mulch to conserve water and suppress weed growth, saving you both time and money. And don't forget, trading plants and seeds with friends or neighbors is a great way to add variety without splurging. With these tips, you can make every penny count in your garden. So, let's quickly summarize our budget-friendly gardening tips. Choose thrifty plants that offer maximum impact for minimum cost. Embrace DIY projects and repurposing to customize your garden. Lastly, make smart choices to get the most value from your gardening efforts. With these tips in mind, you're all set to create a stunning garden that won't break the bank. Happy gardening!